Puppet show is starring...
Molly, come.
Puppet show is starring Mom. Featuring Matthias.
Really?
And
Why am I a feature? Why am I in a feature role?
Are you ready? Ready. Here we go.
I'm ready.
I forgot to tell you the title of the puppet show. It's called Props. Lights out, entertain us. Here we are now. Oh, Tom.
What?
Tom, you got food in your beard. Tom, you've got food on your shirt,
What
too.
do you mean? I don't.
Tom, did you go to the French bakery again on the way home?
I was on the way home.
Oh, Tom, your tie's crooked.
No.
Tom, your shirt doesn't match your tie.
Leave me be.
Why don't you go
I look fine. Leave me be.
It looks so much like you.
Let's see what's going on in the Oregonian today. Oh, well, look at this. A new chorus in Portland. I wonder if I can join. Happy Thanksgiving, Dad. Oh, Bryce, Kendra, So, Dad, I noticed a 1976 Chevy Chevelle in the driveway. Whose is that? Oh, that's, I think that's Kirsten Matthias' new car. They picked it up somewhere. Oh, that's great. Okay, well, we're going to drop our stuff off in the kitchen here, okay? See you soon. Okay, let's go ahead and get back to the Oregonian here. What is that? Oh,
Tom, I'm just going to cut your nose hairs really quick, Tom.
Leave me be.
Your eyebrows look like caterpillars. Arden's going to take them home with her. Just let me get that. Let me get that. Okay.
That looks fine.
Thank you.
I get no respect.
Does that actually happen?
Ice, baby. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something. Oh, Courtney! Jason, hello!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, Mom. Happy Thanksgiving. It's so good to see you.
So, Karen, I saw a 1969 Volkswagen Rabbit in the driveway. What is that?
Oh, yes, that's Kirsten. She was at a, what was it called? A Spelt Harvest Nudist Festival last night. Somewhere east of Bend, and she brought it home on the way back. Oh,
Sorry, I missed that.
Arden.
Anyways, I'll be in the kitchen. We'll see you soon.
okay, wonderful.
Spelt harvest.
Spelt harvest.
You can go to some pretty hippie parties with me.
Oh, hello, Logan. Hello, Kaden.
Hi, Grandma. I get the computer first. No, I get
Oh, hello, Ashlyn. Don't you look lovely today? Thank you. Can I go play with your fairy stuff? Oh, yes, of course, Ashlyn. Okay.
Fairy stuff.
Put your hands up. As if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
I can't hear her.
Oh,
too.
Oh,
Hey, I noticed.
Brittany, the turkey I got from a lovely local farm. Oh, that's nice, Mom. Do you know if it's certified humane? Well, no, but you know, the turkey had a name. His name was Lionel. and they're very lovely people. What do you think, Bob?
Well, you know, we usually go by the certification.
Oh, but it was just a lovely farm. The grass was green, and they say it was organic.
Mom, really, that's okay. Anyway,
we brought our own meat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful.
yeah, I'm
What
going
is
to
that?
go put it in the fridge now.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you.
Those were peeps.
So,
Thanks.
They were peeps.
Karen, do you need any help in the kitchen today?
No, thank you. Everything's fine.
Okay. Did you happen to notice the 1984 Datsun? Who's is that?
Jesse.
The Datsun is mine. Greetings, Bob.
Well, hello,
Hello, Karen.
I just don't know what could have happened to his leash for the 40 cabillionth time.
That combative creature of yours is quite a contravention.
Huh?
That contentious canine is quite Kevorkian in his attack.
He says your dog is crazy.
The things I put up with to be with the bourgeois. You're all lucky I'm a passive Canadian.
Is she coming up?
Oh, yes. You know, I ran into her last Tuesday and I secretly ambushed her while she was sneaking in the downstairs entrance. I invited her to join us and she said she might consider coming for dessert. Wonderful.
Well, that is promising.
Hello, Sarah. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's the girl.
Yes. How do we tell them apart?
Oh, well, Tom, just look. Hello, Adeline.
Hi, Adeline.
Oh, hello, Josie.
I suppose I forgot a hair clip this morning.
There's an alligator zombie ghost with sharp teeth coming to get you. Run for your lives. Hi, Arden. Oh, Tom, it's just been so wonderful.
Yes. Oh, do you hear that ringing? Guess what? Look, Karen.
Oh, look, everyone. Sky, hello. Oh, Sky, how are you? Thank you for calling us on the Skype.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. Everything's going good. I really miss you guys.
Oh.
Is this live,
But,
Scott?
you know, it's nice out here. It's like 90 degrees. It's really warm. And gosh, Mom, we were able to have with our dinner today a fresh tomato salad.
Oh, wonderful that you had tomatoes, Sky.
Yeah, we had some heirloom tomatoes.
Oh, I love tomatoes.
Yeah, I love tomatoes.
Just tomatoes.
I'm making cherry tomato salad. But I'll do that after I take a bath.
Wonderful, Sky.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. Anyway, so the other day...
Sky? Sky? I can't hear you. What? Sky? What do I do? Wait. There's no
brownish thing. Sky. Oh wait, I think I remember something Hayden showed me. There we go. I've got the NFL port. Where do I put it?
I think we'll just have to call her back after dinner.
Oh goodness, all right.
Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving,
When did you make the sock puppets?
Yesterday.
2 nights ago.
So you got
Awesome. And we couldn't find a puppet